Hello, rotting log scientists. It's Gardner Ellie here, and I am at Cambridgeport School. And I thought that it was just about time for us to check back in on our rotting log here at Cambridgeport and see what sort of changes we can observe. So let's go ahead and take a look at our rotting log. So here are our two rotting logs. And if we take another quick feel, this one still feels a little soft, and this one is just as soft as ever. It's even softer actually. It kind of feels mushy like slime. And if we take another close look on the outside of our log, there's some pretty funky things growing on it. But let's go ahead and take a look underneath our rotting logs. Here we go. So what do we notice about our rotting log now? And what sort of changes do we see? And here is the bottom of our rotting log. And something I notice and am kind of surprised about is it's pretty wet around the rotting log, but underneath here it's very, very dry. And I also notice some more creepy crawlies down there. So let's take a look under this one. What do we notice here? And how might this be the same or different from the last time we took a close look at this rotting log? And I see something moving around right up here. And there it goes. So I'm really curious, were you surprised by the changes that we saw to our rotting log? Or were you expecting to see more? I'm really curious to see what sort of things that you noticed and how they might be different or the same from the last time we took a close look here at the log at Cambridgeport. And right behind me, if you see that big white tent looking thing, that is a hoop house that we recently introduced into the garden. And so if you're ever out here in person, I encourage you to take a closer look and make some observations and try to come up with why you think we put a hoop house out in the garden and what we think it's doing there. But until next time, I'm excited to hear your observations about our rotting log, and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye everyone!